What's up, gang? It's your girl Shanti, and as y'all can tell by that title down below, I'm finna get y'all girl Jerry. Yep, I'm finna get her. So basically she finna think we vlogging, and we gonna go to Walmart first, and then I'm gonna say something about the car wash, like I need to clean my car or whatever. So let's go to the car wash, and then I'm finna get her ass. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on y'all post notification bell so y'all can get notified every time we drop a new video. And what's up, gang?
It's vlog day.
We vlogging today. We got a couple errands to run, so we gonna vlog. Guys, we vlogging. Right now we are at Walmart.
We at the Wally Mart.
Girl. We at Walmart right now.
We're gonna go.
Next, we're gonna go to the mall.
Go get some extensions for the house at Wally Mart.
That's not how you say it. It's essentials.
What did I say? Essentials? Essentials.
They're embarrassing anyway.
They know what I meant. You know what I meant. I'm just playing. Don't
We're not editing at that.
think I'm dumb.
But anyways, so yeah, so we about to get out the car, go in Walmart, grab a couple things, and then we're gonna be back out. So we're gonna see y'all inside of Walmart. If dumb was a person.
I don't care.
If dumb was a person.
See this tissue right here? I don't know what you gonna wipe your shitty ass with, because you always shitty.
Yeah, I hear her steady talking shit. Just wait.
I'm trying to be smart.
Yeah, so we're leaving out of Walmart.
To the mall, to the windows, to the walls, to the sweat down on your throat. And all
What mall we going to?
I need to go to H&M. Yeah, we finna go to the mall. We just left Wally Mart. It is hot. It's hot.
Oh, okay. We might as well stop at the car wash since we're right here. We're finna pass the car wash anyway, so we can stop at the car wash before we go to the mall. Cause didn't you say my car was dirty the other day?
Yeah, I said your car was dirty, but
So we might as well stop at the car wash.
I don't feel like washing your car.
Deanna.
I got stuff I gotta do, y'all.
Deanna.
I need to go to the mall.
Deanna, but you was supposed to wash my car for like 2 weeks now. You act like you always got stuff. You don't got nothing to do. Y'all should be lying. She don't got nothing to do.
Ooh,
She need to go to one store at the mall. Like she act like we can't make one stop.
they can't even see us.
You can't see us.
Oh my gosh. This how hot it is. It's like so sunny outside. Can we go to the mall? I mean, can we go to the car wash after?
No.
Bro.
Because we not passing it after. We're passing it right now.
We are gotta pass it because we gotta drop the stuff back
We
off.
are gotta pass it.
We do gotta pass it.
Just because you didn't say that right, no.
How she gonna force me?
Y'all, and my car dirty. Like the inside too.
I ain't gonna lie, this motherfucker, he is dusty.
Right, so.
Just like her mammy. Abuse. I want to go get ice cream before the sun goes down though. And she want to stop at a car wash. Like, we got stuff to do today.
The sun not going down to 8. It's only 6:07.
I don't even have the wipes or nothing to clean your car for me.
Okay, then I'll just get a car wash.
Oh. Y'all, she do not know how to drive.
Stop playing with it.
Anyway.
You finna do that thing on my car? You finna do the thing?
See, this is supposed to be just a vlog. Now I gotta stop talking to y'all because she want me to wipe her car. You see what I be talking about?
Hurry up, come on so we can do the brush before the line get long.
Here.
Up because her ass nosy. Y'all, I ain't finna get her ass. She been talking shit all day. She didn't want to vlog. And she did, y'all see, she did not want to come to the car wash. Because she didn't feel like having to get out and do all that extra stuff. And then we is trying to get ice cream. We never make it, y'all. Every time we try to go get ice cream, the sun go down before we make it. Like, every single time. So I'm trying to hurry up. That's why I'm telling her hurry up. But, because she don't know that we're not going to be vlogging all day. After this, it's a wrap. It's over. But, yeah, we'll see y'all inside the car wash.
Ooh, y'all. She said I ain't do all that work. You see I'm sweating like, no, this is not it. Focus. Woo. It's hot. Woo, it's hot. You got the smell good? You turn the air on and then, like once you turn the air on, you just spray it. Y'all don't know about that? On the car wash, turn the air on, spray that stuff, and get it all, get the car wash smells in too. All that good. What the fuck are you doing? Stop! Stop! Roll the window up! Roll the window up! Are you stupid?
I did not do that. That's the window. I didn't do that.
I see what the fuck she trying to do, bro. Then give me. Stop! My fucking phone is stop! Roll the fucking window up this shit! Stop! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm gonna beat your ass! Roll the fucking window up!
Oh, I'm getting wet too.
That's what you get!
The thing is fucking.
Are you stupid? And look at the fucking seat!
You can drive now.
Bro, the fucking seat is wet. Oh, you want to fucking spray, right? Bro, that's why I knew I should never went through the car wash with your slow ass. Bro, it don't even fucking matter, bro. I can't even fucking sit down. Take me home. I don't want to go to the mall with you no more. I'll go my fucking self. Take me fucking home.
It's okay.
It's not okay. I can't even fucking sit down.
Get something out the trunk.
What do you mean get something out the trunk? That's why you got stuff on your fucking lip. You just do dumb shit, bro. I see exactly what the fuck you did, bro. You watch too much fucking YouTube, I swear to God, bro. That shit ain't fucking funny, bro. And this is your car, you slow. Look, you wet, everything is wet the fuck up. And I hope your window gets stuck and don't fucking work no more.
Why are you so mad, though?
I'm not vacuuming your car out no more.
Deanna, can you
And
vacuum
you
the
stop
car?
fucking recording.
Can you vacuum the car? I'm
No.
sorry, it was a prank.
No, I don't fucking care. I'm not doing it no more.
Deanna. Y'all, this car is so, like, I didn't know.
Look at
y'all
your
was gonna
fucking
get that
speaker. Now you're not gonna be able to listen up. You slow. You retarded.
Y'all, this car is so, I don't. you say Team Shanti.
Girl, I'm not saying shit. You lame as hell.
Say Team Shanti. Just say Team Shanti.
Like, why would you even do
Just
that?
say Team Shanti. Just say Team Shanti.
Because when we watched the fucking video, we was watching other people's videos, I told you I wouldn't even do that to you, no, because I'm not gonna fuck up my car and I don't got time to hear your mouth. I wouldn't even do it.
That made me want to do it even more.
You slow because this is your car. Now, who gonna clean this shit up? You, because I'm not doing it.
Why
I'm
you
not,
so
bro.
mad about it? Why you so mad? Can you vacuum the car out? Mad ass. Yo, she is so mad. Like, she is so mad.
Back in the fucking car? You want me to back in the fucking car? You want me to back in the fucking car? I don't see shit fucking funny. Stop! Stop! I'm not back. I said it, God. Stop! You want to fucking play right? Can I tell you to stop? Now what am I doing? Stop!
Deanna, stop! fuck is wrong with you? Yo, she just blew the fuck out of me with her man ass. Why would you do that? That shit hurt. Like, why would you ever do that? I don't care, bro. Take me home. Like, why would you do that? I'm mad at anyway. Anyway, what? Stop! What are you still talking to them for? Stop! Anyway. Stop! I'm gonna beat your ass. Anyways, if y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notification bell so y'all can get notified every time we drop a new video. She took that L, so she mad with her mad ass. But Team Shanti, and I'll see y'all next time. We out.